Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to view old satellite images on Google Maps. Alright, as you can see here, we are on the Google Maps website, but unfortunately in this one, you can't find how to change old satellite images right here, but you can change certain photos right here. Alright, on the map, like for example, this one. You're going to want to click on see more dates right here. Alright, as you can see here, there's an option for August of 2022, and as you can see we are set on 2024. If we select on 2022, the images will be set to a different date. All right, but on Google Earth you can do that, changing the satellite images. All right, for example, this one right here on Zambia. Let's go closer. All right, now once you're in here, you're going to want to click on this historical imagery right here. All right, again, let's go closer. This one, click on historical imagery, and from here, as you can see, it is set to 1985. All right, you're going to want to use the slider right here to change the year. For example, let's move to 2009. Wait for it to load, and as you can see here, it is now changed. All right, use the slider again and go to 2020. It is being changed as well. That's basically it. I hope this video helps, and please don't forget to share this video to your friends. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.